What's up, y'all? I'm Black Talent Sport. Welcome back to the channel. Today's videos, another one of those videos that I just don't really like to make, but have to make it to give you guys an update excuse me, on what's going on with Bullet currently and the YouTube channel. Well, if you haven't already, please remember to smash that like button, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified when I come out with these videos. And I must take some time out to thank you guys. Man, we have had a serious bump in subscribers. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Help me get to 1,000. That's my next goal. I'll be doing a giveaway shortly. I'm not sure what or when, but no, I'm thinking I probably need to do another giveaway. So make sure you guys are subscribing so that you're notified. All right, greatly appreciate it. Just gonna get right into it. As you can tell by the title, I might have to take the lift off. Not too happy about that. Really don't want to make that decision, but here we are, you know. And the reason why is because I keep blowing through strut mounts. Why, I don't know. Have some theories. Brooklyn Motors also believe they came up with a reason why. Basically, you know, it's happened 3 times already, you know. But Brooklyn Motors feel, which I kind of agree with them, they feel like it may be the brackets that go on top of the strut mounts. They say it might be causing too much pressure on the mount, causing the strut to blow through it. There's a rubber seal. There's a rubber seal that repeatedly fails. You know, I basically, like I said, I've had it happen 3 times now. But there's one constant between each time, and it's, you know, it's been the Traxda lift. First time it happened, well, first of all, you know, I've had the lift on Bullet since about around the 10,000 mile mark. You know, I'm over 154,000 at the moment. The first time it happened, I didn't even have the Bilstein B6s. You know, the right front blew through, which is, I understand, is the most common one. And then what I did was, okay, all right, I was on the stock suspension, but had the Traxda lift. I ordered the Bilstein B6s, got all 3 except that right front. Everybody that ordered the B6s know what I'm talking about. There was a crazy back order on that thing, man. So what I did was I went to AutoZone, picked up just one full strut assembly, just to have that until, you know, the B6s were available, or at least that one. So I got that changed, and before the right front became available, one day I was in a random AutoZone and I asked if they had it. They had it, but before it came, the left one blew. In the same fashion, strut shot right up through the mount. So anyway, put the B6s on. I don't remember what mileage it was. So put the B6s on. Matter of fact, it was at 112. I remember now. It was around there, 112. And just recently, not too long ago, B6 blew through the mount. I was like, nah, gotta figure this out. So take a look at what failed. All right, so you're looking at the mounts that came out, and what keeps failing, this is the 3rd time now, is the bushing right there around the mount. you can see it down there, it's basically separated from the mount itself. So that needs to be addressed. That needs to be figured out. As you can see, it's the rubber that they use from factory. These are Motorcraft mounts. I don't put anything else on this as far as the mounts goes. That rubber seal is what went. You know, Alex let's sat down with Alex and Eric at Brooklyn Motors, and we just kind of brainstorm as to, you know, what the fix should be. You know, someone has to design stronger mounts, because this is a common problem. It's happened to me 3 times already. You know, if I'm gonna have this lift on here, which I drive on the beach, you know, so I need the ground clearance. I need the ground clearance. It's not just a looks thing for me. If it was looks, I'd have took it off a long time ago. But I need the ground clearance, you know. In order for me to get to the spots where I like to go to catch those lovely striped bass, I need this thing to have better ground clearance. So Brooklyn Motors told me to contact Traxda to see, or whomever, contact somebody to see if they can make stronger mounts, stronger strut mounts. You know, I contacted Traxda. He told me to contact the owner, Greg. I did that. You know, explained everything to him. He was very receptive, you know, very, very helpful. And it seems like he's looking into it, or considering making stronger mounts, because our last communication, he asked me if what I suggested was what I had in mind, and I said yes, that looks like what I actually did some research on, looking up what I felt I needed. And you know, but that was his only response. He didn't tell me yes, he is doing it, but I'm just assuming that he might be considering it. So, you know, there is going to be an update video. I'm just gonna see how this pans out, you know. I hope it pans out in my favor, man, because it'd be a sad day if I have to take this lift off. Let me tell you, all right? Sad day. Before I forget, on a side note, Greg from Traxda also made a suggestion for another solution to one of the problems I've been having with the kit, which is the sway bar link bracket breaking. He suggested this before, but now I like this new suggestion, and I'm going to strongly consider it, which is replacing the Moog front sway bar links with some adjustable sway bar links. They have like this pillow ball, really solid, round looking. I'll put up a picture of it or a link to it. I'm definitely going to do that. I'm not going to not do that, because again, with the Traxda bracket for the sway bar link and the Moog sway bar links, there's a grease nipple on the back of the link that I cannot use because it rubs the body. So these two problems have been prevalent. You know, I broke that bracket 3 times, and enough was enough. So I'm going to get adjustable sway bar links, and then hopefully we can figure out this mount situation. Just wanted to add that in to let you know another update as to what's going on with the suspension for Bullet. So if you want to know how that how the mounts are failing, it's the potholes. New York City is notoriously known for having very bad potholes. It is the winter time, so you know in the winter, pothole situation intensifies. And ooh, that's a nice Z. Wow. Wish I could have showed y'all that. Yeah, we're going over potholes, man. It's like explosions going off. Now, mind you, I purposely do my very best to avoid potholes. I do. You know, if you're traveling behind me, you see me swerve and you think, yo, what's wrong with this guy? This guy drunk? If you don't know, then that's what you're going to assume. But, you know, those that know what's happening here. We're trying to avoid these potholes. But it's the ones that I don't see, man, that causes issues. I mean, it's like literally explosions, man. Boom! Like, yo! Sometimes I get out and check everything out. You know, I look at the tire pressure and make sure I didn't break another wheel. Yeah, it's crazy. It gets crazy, man. So it's the potholes. Even when I'm on the highway, Belt Parkway, Southern State, you know, LIE, you know, my New York people know. They can be treacherous, you know. It's tough to memorize where all of them are. So you kind of have to visually see them, but that can be a problem sometimes, you know. You know, it's really the potholes is what's keep causing the mounts to blow through. I mean, this is my third set. It's gonna happen again. Until I get stronger mounts, it's gonna happen again. It's $50 per strut mount at the dealership. About $3 and some change to change them. You know, it's costly. It really is costly. One other solution could be to just go make the move to coilovers, but let me know in the comments below what you guys think I should do. Should I remove the lift kit? Should I just scrap it and go for coilovers? Which I haven't really seen any coilovers that look right, or I'm concerned about the quality. I haven't seen coilovers or anyone make coilovers that, you know, the quality is up there. If you know of a company that makes coilovers for the 18 and up Explorer Sport, let me know in the comments below. You know, there is an airbag system, but I don't really want to ride on bags.
Hello, welcome to Grapplers.
Yes, hi. Can I have a number 7, please?
What's your side order and tray?
Side order is going to be fries. The drink is going to be sweet tea.
Fries and sweet tea. Anything else?
Yeah. Can I have the Binet, the 6-piece Binet?
The what?
Binet.
Okay. You are okay. 6 beignet, right?
Yeah.
Anything else?
That's it.
You have 5-piece tenders with fries and sweet tea and 6 beignet. 1860. You can drive up. Thank you.
Thank you. Gotta get that chicken in me, man. Yeah, there's an airbag set up for this, but I need to be at least 2 inches up, and it would be nice to go 2 inches down, you know, to get that lowered look. But you know, that's a lot of travel. I don't think anyone makes an air ride system that can have that type of travel. So I'm limited, man. I'm really limited. It'd be nice if someone made an actual legit off-road coilover suspension system for the Explorers. If you know of someone that does, drop in the comments below. I would definitely appreciate it. I'd have to strongly consider it, you know, because it's going to cost me a lot of money if I take this lift off. If you think about it, take the lift off, I have bigger tires. They're at a risk of rubbing if I'm at stock height. I also have 1-inch Hubcentrick spacers. So my tires, you know, I got poke, they stick out. So if it's lowered, I'm at higher risk of rubbing. That's one aspect. The other aspect is this: because I have the Hubcentric spacers, I had to cut my stock studs to fit the spacers. So what's going to happen is, if I take the lift off and then take the spacers off so that the tires can be tucked, I'm going to have to get 20 new studs. So I'll be spending more money. But again, it's up for consideration. You know, I have to weigh my options. I'm trying to do the most cost-effective solution and also the most effective solution, because again, you know, I'm a fisherman, and this thing will be on the beach. You know, coming up from April all the way to December is my fishing season, and you know what I'm saying? It's got to be on the beach. Got to catch some cows. So that's going to be it. This is where we're at right now. You know, I feel like I'm on borrowed time with these mounts until I get a sufficient solution. Greg from Traxda, I'm hoping that you can help me out if you see this video, or anyone else, man. Bilstein, HR, IBOC, whomever, Steeda. We need stronger strut mounts for the Explorers. That's going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please remember to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. Hey, if you want to purchase some merch, there'll be a Teespring listing in the description and in the cover photo, along with the Patreon. All right? Please remember to have a blessed day, and peace out.